This is like kind of neat. I don't think it. Yeah, I don't think it opens. All right, guys, we're going to jail. Back in the day, this is what a jail used to look like. Roadkill Cafe. Please do not touch. Alright guys, so when you go sit in a car and this happens, that would hurt, like, so bad. Alright guys, this is something you don't see every day. Here we go. Little box car up there, that's cool. Y'all ever see that picture? Pew pew pew, motherfucker! Alright guys. Yup. Slam. That's cool as shit. Well, that's creative. Alright guys, there you go. Yep, those are toilets. They sure are. Alright guys, so we are in Seligman, Arizona. But this one really caught my eye because I thought it was really cool. A toilet seat, y'all. A fucking toilet seat.
Your mask. He's in a fire truck.
Charlie's cesspool. What the fuck? Alright guys. So the townspeople, they really cherish their toilets. They really do. They get so creative with their toilets. Beautiful sky. And again, more creativity. Alright, so this is what happens when you decide to go into a doghouse. Yep.
He's really in the doghouse.
He's really in the doghouse. And I think he invaded the dog space, so the dog had to do something about it. Alright guys, so this concludes our video, and I wanted to show you Willow Beach is right there. That is Willow Beach, and this is the scenic overlook. Sorry, I don't have my selfie stick with me. Of pretty much the mountains in Vegas, or on their way to Vegas. We're kind of still in Arizona. So thanks for watching this video.